You will learn how to enable writing assistance and text prediction in Microsoft Edge browser. I will also walk you through on how to disable these features in easy steps. First, launch the Microsoft Edge browser. Once your browser opens, the next step is to click on these three dots here, then select Settings. On this settings page, click on Languages. Alright, you'll be taken to this page. Just scroll down until you get to this writing assistance. Alright, the first option here is to use writing assistant on the web. Let me explain what this means. Take for example, previously you searched about the richest man in the United States. Alright, when you come over the next time on this same web browser and type the richest, it will automatically suggest that to you. Alright, provide that as an option because you have searched it before. Alright, that's what this use writing assistance on the web is. But if you don't want that, please click on this to toggle this off. Okay, so that every time you are searching a new thing on Edge browser, it should be on a plain ground. Some Microsoft Edge users don't like this because it makes them make mistake in most cases. Say for example, I want to type the richest woman in the world. Because I've already searched the richest, it automatically suggests the richest man and I click and make a mistake. So some people don't like it. So if you want to toggle it off, please click on this for it to be toggled off. But I'm cool with this. Then let's talk about the second option, use text prediction. By default, this is turned on Edge browser. And what this means is that, for example, if you type Uzochukwu Mike, alright, it sends it to Microsoft Cloud as a valid word for tomorrow or other users of the internet. Maybe somebody from United Kingdom tomorrow comes to Edge browser and types Uzochukwu. It will suggest Mike to him as Uzochukwu Mike because I have already searched about that. So that's why it says that use text prediction. When this is on, typed characters in certain text boxes on the web are sent to Microsoft Cloud to provide text prediction services. So they use it to provide text prediction services to other users of the same browser over the internet. But if you don't want to give Microsoft that free hand or that freedom to use it to provide suggestions to others or prediction to others, please turn it off by clicking on this and you're good. So with this, you have learned how to enable writing assistance on Edge browser and also how to enable text prediction on Edge browser. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can scan this QR code here to get any of my books on information technology. They are well detailed books with illustrations. So get any of them. See you there.